What's up, automators? Just wanted to come at you here with a fun, awesome flow that'll make you feel like you're controlling Jarvis. So this one we'll call daily notifier. That sounds kind of lame, but we'll go with it for now. So what is this daily notifier going to do for us? Well, it is going to tell us all the tasks we have due for the day, and it's going to tell us the weather because why not? It's a connector we haven't used. So let's jump right into it. We'll get the timer rolling and we'll get started. This one is probably going to be the one that most people might say I'm cheating because I am going to copy a lot of the flows here, but we're going to use one that we haven't used before. We're going to use a scheduled cloud flow. We're going to say every day at 8 a.m., which is the time I want it to. We're going to say every day. We're going to call this daily notifications. And then we are going to create that. So this will recur every day, and we're going to say central time zone here. This will be important later. You'll want to make sure that you know. So if you don't know what your time zone is, you have to spell it just like this. Central Time is Canada. We're gonna say at these hours. We'll say at 8 a.m. I don't know why it didn't pull through the way we really wanted it to, but we'll save that. The flow needs at least one trigger, or no, at least one action. Perfect. Okay, so we have our flow set up from the basics here. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth. So now we're going to get all the events. We'll get events v4. Now the thing we're going to need to do when we get the events is we're going to need to do one thing. We're going to filter query here. I'm going to quickly run through this and not explain too much because we don't really have time in these 5-minute flows to explain everything, but I'm happy to, either elaborate via email or in the comment section. You can see here I'm basically getting the start of the day in the UTC. This is a default function. And then I'm getting the start of the day plus 1 UTC converted to central. The reason I'm doing that is because I wanted to get all the events in the time zone that I am in. You would want to change that. The reason I'm saying this is because you will want to change that for the time zone you are in. So now we're going to do a select statement. The reason we're doing this is because it allows us to basically start building a list. We're going to create this list from all of the values. We're going to create 2 mapped fields. We're going to create time, and we're going to create event here. The time is going to be a little bit more in depth than the event. The time is basically kind of doing before. We're getting the start time, converting it. We're getting the start time and converting it to central time. So in order to do that, we're going to do a function. Just add that function. And just add that function. Oh, add the function. I'm going to do the same thing with the subject here. It's just the item at subject, which I'll put in chat and also in the video description. So just remember to, I'll delete these so that way you can have them. Okay, cool. Then we got the events and we got the time. Now we're going to create the HTML table. So that way it will display teams. Create the HTML table. We're running a little bit low on time, but that's okay. I think we have enough time to do this. We're going to take the output and then we're going to add the weather. Get today's forecast, and I'm going to say Minneapolis. We're going to post a message in chat channel. Post a message in chatter channel. Perfect. I'm going to say the flowbot. We're going to say chat with the flowbot. Then we're going to choose myself. We could use a dynamic field there, but there's really no reason. Now we're just going to do today's events. We're going to add that HTML table. We're going to say today's weather. Then we're going to do a few things here. We're going to do condition. Low, high. Okay, so follows. We have 40 seconds. I think I can do that in that time. We're going to get today's conditions. We're going to get the low, the temperature high, seconds. Oh, that's humidity. High. And then we're going to do one more thing here. Units. If we can get it off before the timer's up, we're going to count it. Units. Save. All right, we got it. Within 5 minutes, we're going to cheat a little bit. Oh no, it says invalid parameter. That's okay. We'll fix this over time. This one will be a little long. We can't win them all, but so we just didn't select the calendar there. This is a more advanced one, so I'm okay with it going a little bit long. We're going to test it, and this will be the first flow that we did not make it within our 5-minute window. A little disappointed, but that's okay. Like I said, this is kind of a more advanced one. So I believe this one just came through. Maybe not though. Okay, it ran 22 seconds ago. Nope, did I spell my name wrong? Chat with Flowbot. Select myself this time, and we'll try it one more time here. This is a little bit long. I'm sorry to hold you guys after class today, but this is a cool one, I think. So I'm willing to hold you a little bit long here. I think we're only going to be a minute over, but there we go. And it came through for us. So that was awesome. Finally came through it at 112. We got 112 right here. Really quickly, I'll just show you the flow one more time and explain it. So every day at 8 a.m., it's going to get all the events for the day. It's going to select them. Just this puts them in like a group. You can see here kind of how it groups them. Takes that groups, creates an HTML table. We get today's forecast for the city that we're in. And then post that information in a chat or a channel with me. So then every day I will get this information at 8 a.m. Central. Thanks so much for watching. Add to the comments below. This is kind of the pre-recorded stop here, so I'll be making new videos after this. And hopefully I'll have some content from the commenters. Thanks, everyone. Have a really blessed day.